What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another video. Alcantara steering wheel cover. Super excited about this. I just got it from EastDetailing. I'm gonna link them in the description down below. But first thoughts, this quality is crazy. Like for 130 bucks, you can't beat this. Like custom steering wheels go for like $1,000 nowadays. Only problem is you have to sew it yourself. I mean, I watched a few videos. It looks pretty easy. The only thing is it might take a long time. So hopefully I do good, especially if you want it to be perfect. It might take a while. But I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna put they actually gave me a discount code, so I'm gonna link it in the description down below. So if you guys like my final product and or you think you could do a better job, definitely get this, because $130 versus $1,000. I mean, you guys pick and choose what you guys think is a better choice for you guys. If you guys know you could sew it yourself, might as well get this. But if you think you're horrible at sewing, might as well go buy the $1,000 one. But trust me, I watched a few YouTube videos. This looks super good. I'm super excited about it. I have to go get the steering wheel from the car, disconnect the battery, take the airbag out, remove the bolt. Steering wheel should pop off. But yeah, let's cut to that. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna take this off so I can unplug the battery. Let's see. Alright. We got access to the battery now. Take this off. Alright, I think you just pop it off now. Just loose. I'm trying to turn it. There we go. The light's turned off. That's a good sign. Alright, I'm gonna just put a microfiber towel over there, just so it doesn't connect. Should be good. Yeah, so we're in the car right now, trying to take the steering wheel off. First I have to take the airbag off. There's two holes on each side. So there's one over here, and then one over there. All you have to do is basically put a screwdriver in, flathead, and just, I guess, poke it until there's like a wire here, like two little metal hangers holding this in. Once you poke it in, it should lift off the airbag and take off. So I'm gonna set you guys down real quick and see how long this takes me. Oh, I can actually use the Phillips. That was actually way easier. Got it. There we go. Alright guys, so we got the airbag off. So all we need to do now is just take this bolt off. So I think it's a 16mm. Let's see. Yes, sir. It is. Okay, this is really tight. I'm gonna try to set the camera down and then see how I can do this real quickly. Oh, there we go. Shit, I think I didn't actually do it. I think it just came off. Oh, nope, I did it. There we go. Okay, wasn't too bad. Alright, got the bolt off. Alright guys, so I unplugged this and this. Finally, my that was a struggle. That was like the hardest part for me, unplugging these things. It's always those little things that like take forever for me to unplug. I feel like I'm gonna break it if I pull too hard, but yeah, should just come off easily now. There we go. Alright guys, so we got the steering wheel off, ready to go. I think so the way I want to do this is I want to remove all these trim pieces and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll get right into the Alcantara and stitching it. Alright guys, so we finally took everything off of it. Like, not everything completely. I got these buttons off, but I didn't actually unplug anything, just because I don't know, I feel like I'll just forget where everything goes. But I took all the screws off. I took the paddle shifter caps off, and I also loosened the back of this, so it'll be easy to tuck in, but also easy to put back together. I took off the front piece over here, so I think we should be all set to start stitching the Alcantara. But yeah, my dad actually offered to help me with this, so yeah, I feel like he's gonna do most of the work, but I'll record a few clips of me trying to do it too. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so my dad basically is doing this all by himself. I feel like he's having a little bit of fun, so I might as well let him do it all by himself. Win-win in my books. But yeah, so we got the Alcantara already around the steering wheel. It's pretty tight all around. We're just gonna put a little bit of tape around the Alcantara just so it can stick on the steering wheel better. Just extra precaution. Should be good though, but yeah. Right after that we can start sewing. Goodness, it's finally done, guys. Shout out to my dad, helped me out, stitched literally everything for me. I mean, I helped him by shining the light, so hey, you could say I did this too. But yeah, it looks super good. Can't wait to install it. I just have to put everything back in place, like the buttons and trim and everything. But yeah, I'll cut back to when I'm gonna install it in the car. Alright guys, so I just finished assembling the steering wheel. It's practically all done. I'm gonna install it real quickly, so let's do this then. I think it only goes on one way. Yep, it's in. Oh my god, this looks so sick. Wait up, let me just install everything. So plug this in real quick. Go in right there, plug this in. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but it's dark out here. This is the only way you could see me and semi-see the steering wheel. Let me just plug this in too. Let me see. Yep. It took longer than I expected to finish, but we did finish. So that's good. I thought I was gonna have to leave my trunk open overnight. That would have sucked, but okay. Put the bolt back in now. Just twist it a little bit. Alright guys, so we finally put the wheel back on after stitching. It took longer than we expected. We're trying to catch the last bits of sunlight. It's about to get dark here, so I finally put the bolt back on. All I have to do left is put the airbag in, so let me do that real quick. Let me shine my light, see how it goes on. Should be like this. Now that we got that in, all we gotta do is, I guess, just click it in. And we're done. All we gotta do now is put the battery, plug the battery back in, and we should be good. Guys, it's another day. It got late yesterday, and then I'm recording now. I'm here with Moz. We're actually about to take a few photos of his E36 and the 440i together. We cleaned both of them today, so the lights just turned on, so we're about to take a few photos over there. But yeah, other than that, the steering wheel is finished. We installed it. Looks super good. Looks really good with the red interior. What do you think about it?
Honestly, for like pricing,
130 bucks,
worth it.
Right?
Well,
it looks super good, bro. Like, feel it. Like, sit inside it. I don't even think you felt it yet.
I haven't.
Falls off. It feels super good though, right?
It made it more fat, like a little bit like thicker.
Yeah. It looks super good. Okay. Super good. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. We're actually about to take a few photos. The lights just turned on as I was recording this, so this is pretty sick. But yeah, that's the end of the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.